Hello everyone. This video we're going to talk about converting rates. And here's an example. A marathon runner can run 6 miles per hour. What is the rate in miles per minute? So they've given us a number that is in miles per hour, and they want you to change that into miles per minute. Okay? So what do? Step one. Step one is always finding a conversion factor. Okay, finding the conversion factor. Now notice I have miles and miles. That unit is not going to change. We keep miles. What's changing is that I had per hour. Now they're asking per minute. So I have to change hours into minutes. So what is the conversion factor to change from hours to minutes? Well, I know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. And I also know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, now between these two conversion factors, which one do I choose? Well, we have to go from hours to minutes. That means that I need to cancel the word hours and incorporate the word minute. If I'm going to cancel the word hours, and in my problem, hours is in the denominator. Let's write step 2 before we finish step 1 so that you can see how I am going to choose the conversion factor. Let's write 6 miles per hour. So I have 6 miles. And notice this is a unit rate. Remember from class we said that a unit rate is a number that has 2 units and that the unit in the denominator is 1. It's one of the units, okay? So I have 6 miles, 1 hour. That's the original problem that they've posed. 6 miles per hour means 6 miles in 1 hour. Now, like I was saying, I want to cancel hours because I want to change hours to minutes. So I need to cancel hours. Remember, we can cancel words. If I have a word in the denominator, I can cancel it with that same word in the numerator. So I need hours to be in the numerator in order for me to cancel. So hour. So if hours is in the numerator, and these are the 2 possible conversion factors that I have available, which of these 2 will I use? Well, since I need hours in the numerator because I want to cancel hours and hours, I have to use that first conversion factor, this one, because this one has hours in the numerator. So 1 hour, 60 minutes. Okay? That's how you choose your conversion factor. You set up the 2 available conversion factors, and you choose one of the 2, depending on what you're going to cancel out. You can cancel like this. If the word appears in the numerator and in the denominator, we can cancel them and that becomes a 1, okay? And now what we do is, this is a fraction, right? I have a fraction here, a fraction here. I'm multiplying. How do we multiply fractions? Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So the numerator is 6 times 1, which is 6. And remember to keep your unit, which is miles. That one we did not cancel. And in the denominator, I have 1 times 60 minutes. So 1 times 60 is 60. And I keep the unit minutes. Okay? Now, that's what they wanted. They wanted miles per minute, and that's what I have, miles per minute. But we're not done yet because I want per minute. That means I want to know the amount of miles in 1 minute, not in 60 minutes. So you take your calculator, and this is a unit rate, just like what you did for that supermarket project where you had to find the unit rate, the unit price. And what we did for that project was, well, if I want to turn this denominator into a 1, okay, what we did was we divided by 60 because I know 60 divided by 60 is 1. But very careful, 1 minute because I still have to carry my units. very careful. If I divide the numerator by 60, I have to divide the denominator by 60. I have to divide the numerator by 60 also, so that it's all balanced. So 6 divided by 60, how much is that? 0.1. 0.1 miles per every minute. And to make this look better, I'm going to write 0.1 miles per minute without writing 1, because we're really just dividing 0.1 divided by 1, which is 0.1. 0.1 miles per minute. And that's how we changed this rate from miles per hour to miles per minute. That means that in 1 minute, he will cover 1/10 of a mile. I'll see you in the next video.